Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix wise identity verification issues. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you might be rejected. So the first being poor photo quality, so blurry text or glare or fingers covering information is one big a no-no. The other thing could be an expired document. So using an expired passport or driver's license also causes this problem. Also, submitting a document type that is not accepted for your region could also be a reason. You can do a couple of things to go ahead and fix this problem. So try with a better quality, take photos in a well-lit area, ensuring all four corners of the ID are visible without glare. You can also clear your browser cache and cookies or use a different browser or incognito mode. And you can also simply go ahead and confirm your address proof. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.